Pamela Wilkinson proudly presents 141 Angelo Street, South Perth, a timeless home designed for effortless living and entertaining. This quality, low-maintenance 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers airy and open interiors beneath high ceilings that interplay with the natural light whilst offering exceptional livability and functionality. A formal sitting room or piano room, study or 4th bedroom complements an inviting open-plan living and dining room featuring a peaked corrugated ceiling and built-in surround sound speakers. The adjoining kitchen is well appointed with stainless steel appliances, including a Smeg 5-burner gas cooktop, integrated 2-drawer Fisher & Paykel dishwasher and tiled splashbacks, while stylish plantation shutters feature throughout. 3 large fitted bedrooms on the upper level include the main bedroom, with a fully equipped walk-in robe behind a wall of frosted glass, a spacious ensuite, and a balcony opening from the upstairs sitting room cum retreat. Bifold doors lead out to the alfresco area, featuring a timber-lined ceiling with recessed lighting and built-in speakers, plus a backdrop of manicured lawns and mature fruit trees. There is also gas and water connections in place to build your own outdoor kitchen. Other internal features include a home office or 4th bedroom with built-in cabinetry and a separate private entrance, warm timber flooring throughout the ground level living areas, an attic storage via a hideaway ladder, a dedicated wine cellar, and so much more. Every now and again, you come across a home that simply shines. This is one such example. For more information or to view this South Perth home, contact Pamela Wilkinson from the agency in South Perth on 0413 070 000.